Norwex is leading the way in the clean green revolution, radically reducing chemicals in the home with superior microfiber and water alone. So what exactly is microfiber, and why is it so great for cleaning? The short answer? Microfiber is a blend of ultra-thin polyester and nylon fibers. This makes microfiber infinitely better for picking up debris than an average cotton rag. Now, there's microfiber, and then there's Norwex Microfiber. The difference starts with the exceedingly fine nature of our fibers. Each Norwex microfiber is 1/200th the size of a human hair versus 1/6 in common microfiber. It's like comparing the quality of a 50 thread count bedsheet to a 500 thread count luxury linen. Not even close. Just check out this common microfiber cloth held to a light. It's so thin you can see right through it. Compare that with a Norwex microfiber cloth. Not even close. The extra heft in Norwex microfiber translates to an incredibly effective, super dense cleaning tool. So dense, it collects even minute particles of dust and dirt and picks up 99% of bacteria from a surface with water alone. And so dense, it can hold up to 7 times its weight in liquid. Perfect for wiping up spills. Another Norwex standout, our exclusive backlock technology, a powerful microsilver agent that helps self-purify the wet cloth while it dries, inhibiting mold, fungus, and bacterial odors so you can use it again and again before laundering. Norwex microfiber comes in a wide variety of styles, weaves, and textures for a wide variety of jobs. The Enviro Cloth is our most popular, versatile microfiber. This reusable, eco-friendly cloth is extra thick to clean, well, everything. A go-to multi-purpose tool that replaces all-purpose cleaners and paper towels. Our window cloth is a silky, tight, flat weave for polishing glass, mirrors, and other surfaces that scratch easily. The Norwex dusting mitt features a plush, terry cloth-like texture to reach into tiny nooks and crannies where dust hides. Kitchen cloths are perfect for removing everything from spills to crumbs to grease on kitchen surfaces. And that's just the beginning. To get the most use from your cloth, fold it in half, then in half again. When the face gets dingy, refold to a fresh, clean surface. Wipe in even strokes, keeping the cloth flat to collect the most grime and debris. Used dry, Norwex microfiber creates a positive static charge that attracts and holds dirt. When wiped across a surface, the static literally pulls particles and locks them in the crevices instead of just pushing them around. For extra tough jobs, just add water. Grime lifts up and into the damp cloth. No leftover lint, no streaks, just a spotless clean, removing up to 99% of bacteria without hazardous chemicals. Proper care of Norwex microfiber is simple. Between launderings, rinse the cloth under warm water with a dash of Norwex dishwashing liquid. Remember, the fibers actually hold dirt, so give it a good scrub to agitate and remove the buildup. Wring out the excess water and hang to dry completely. At least 24 hours for backlock to work its self-cleansing magic, inhibiting mold, fungus, and bacterial odors. When it's time to launder, wash microfiber separately or with other lint-free loads using a Norwex laundry detergent. Then toss in the dryer. Don't use bleach, fabric softeners, or dryer sheets with microfiber. These chemical additives coat and clog the fibers, reducing their effectiveness. Norwex Microfiber. A clean home, a clean conscience.